back in action. We're back in the action, boys. So once again, like I've started every video this past week, filming in the car. Ian, the cameraman's moving downstairs, so the house is noisy. Gotta film here. Now getting into this, man, as you guys can tell by the title of the video, we have another smaller priced mystery box. We're talking $50 I spent on this one. Now we don't generally do these videos much. We'll do them every once in a while, but to be honest, it's like you're not gonna get a large video out of it because you're probably not gonna get much in a $50 mystery box. And if you want to make money on YouTube, it's gotta be 10 minutes. You get some more views, more watch time, you put ads in it, it's like, that's the truth. However, I couldn't pass up this small little mystery unboxing today because this is like bringing me back a lot. And when I say bringing me back, it's like back to like high school days for me when Tyler the Creator and like Odd Future, all of them were just popping. It was just like the craziest music out at that time. And long story short, shopping on eBay a couple weeks ago at least, I found a Tyler the Creator mystery box for $50. Now like I say, we don't usually do this, man, but the nostalgia behind this, and I feel like a lot of you guys can also relate to it, whether you're listening to him now or you used to listen to him. I think this is cool and I'm super stoked to get into it. But real quick, man, before we do, if you guys like these mystery box videos, I love them because it actually gives me a flippin' surprise too. It's like going to, I don't know, Vegas and not knowing what girl's gonna come to the door when you finally call that card. Sometimes you're gonna get effed and other times you're gonna get effed, but one's gonna be better if we're still talking about girls. But if we're talking about mystery boxes, you know, it's like, I don't know what I'm getting, neither do you guys, we're all on the same page. You know what I mean? We're all teaming up on the same girl here. Anyway, Tyler the Creator mystery box, $50 from eBay. I don't know if it's still up. If it is, I'll have a link down below, but if it's not, I don't think it is. I think there was only like one or two. So it's right here, man. Here's how we're gonna do this. Any item, if I get 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, any item I get, we're gonna add up the cost. I'll search on eBay in the car, put it up on the screen, see if we actually get our money out of this $50 mystery box. Now what you have in the description is you can get stickers, you can get a hat, you can get shirts. There's just a bunch of options of Tyler the Creator, Odd Future, maybe like golf weighing merchandise that you can get. Hopefully we don't get screwed, and I'll tell you why in a sec, why I already know that we won't get like just stickers for $50. I got this Amazon box in the mail and it said batteries. I'm like, what the hell? So I just opened it up. I know that's not batteries, it's green. I'm pretty sure I see a hat. So it's open, but I didn't see anything else. I didn't actually look in the box. Without further ado, man, let's open up these legs, shall we? So first off, yeah, this, oh my god, in the bubble wrap, this is the one thing I saw. We have an Odd Future golf weighing hat, it looks like. So this is like the main script. Now way back, you guys might know it, my channel used to be NameBran clothing. It used to pop back then. Clothing, it still kind of is, but like I used to buy and sell that stuff like Supreme. So I bought and sold a lot of golf weighing stuff in my time. As you can see here, we just have the regular like 5-panelist golf hat, which I don't wear. These look awful on me. I look like a elf, and it doesn't help that it's green. But this is dope, man. Right off the bat, I'm gonna let you guys know, I already know the price of this is like usually around $100. Pop it on the screen, that's what I found online. But I also know right off the bat, which sucks, is this is fake. This isn't how they make it. It's just bad stitching all around. I think this is actually generally a bit bigger. The stitching isn't bad on it, but there's also no taggage on the inside. So the first thing's the L in this box, bro. It's this is like $5 from China probably, which sucks a lot. That's what pisses me off. If you're gonna have a mystery box for $50, at least put real stuff in it. I don't care if it's one real thing, or like, because I see another thing and I'm guaranteeing now that's fake. Sorry, certain things piss me off. It's like, just put something real. You know what I mean? I guarantee the stickers you're gonna get in this box now are probably fake too. Golf hat, like I say, quick video, but I wasn't not gonna open this because this is nostalgic. Just maybe he put that in for a little bulk and it's fake. Cause this thing, bro, this one comes with the golf wearing bag, which I'm pretty sure looks, I haven't had one of these in so long, bro. But given the price tag on it, I'm pretty sure this is what a real bag looks like. Oh, obviously it's a real bag. Shut up. A real golf wearing bag, I mean. Anyway, man, let's check this thing out. I think it's a shirt, not a long sleeve. Yeah, it's a t-shirt, bro. I'm gonna put the price up on the screen if it's real. That's what I probably found on eBay if there is any. Now let's double check to see what this, God damn it! Actually, I'm not sure. I don't know, man. I never really sold shirts a lot, but we got the, anyway, golf script. This is what the tag looks like. I'm gonna have to do some legit checks online, but if this is legit, man, this is a lot of money. This is a lot of money. Like these got a hefty resell, I'm pretty sure, if it's the right season I'm thinking of, but I also lost touch with this stuff, and it says golfweighing.com, which looks like a good thing, bro. But a lot of Asian websites, man, they'll get you. It's like, oh, we'll put the right tagging on it, and these idiots will buy it. So who knows? Man, this is crazy, man. Anybody that actually knows, I'm gonna do my own research, and I'll leave it in the comments of the description of this video or whatever if I found out it's real or not.
So I'm guessing this question is...
Alright, man, last up in this box, we have kind of a destroyed box right here. I haven't looked in it yet, but it feels heavy, man. The hell? Oh! Fake or not? Because I don't think Odd Future or Tyler the Creator or anybody ever actually released these as merch. Fake or not, bro. We got, I'm pretty sure that's the album Cherry Bomb, right? We got the Cherry Bomb Tyler the Creator pendant. Nuts! I guarantee you guys know I buy so many pendants for videos. I guarantee this is worth probably about $50 online. Maybe 40, maybe 30, something like that. But pendants are expensive, even if they're fake, man. Especially ones that are actually made like this. The diamonds on it is nuts, bro. Damn! So I'm gonna put up on the screen if I found it anywhere online. That's what it is. And I'm actually gonna do the research right now. So I'm up to par with what I'm putting up on the screen. And then I'll get back to you guys to see if I think I got a good deal or not. Alright, man, so I've just finished the research on all three of these pieces. The screenshots that you saw me put up, I just screenshot right now, and I'll put it up in editing. This thing right here, I looked on a bunch of websites. This was, I found, I think it said like $150. I'm sure you could get it cheaper somewhere. I didn't check DHgate, actually. That could be a place to check. But this right here, even though it's fake, they didn't release it, that's our money back guaranteed. I didn't see anything below 50. Or even $50 for this, so that's dope. This thing right here, I couldn't really do my research that well if it's real or fake. I didn't really know the right things to search. I'm guessing it's probably maybe fake. The hat's definitely fake, didn't even need to search that. But if they were real, man, we made like $1,000. So I doubt they are. But anyway, man, it's a little nostalgic video. I really wanted to do this Tyler the Creator one, man. You guys let me know what your favorite song is by him. I might give this away, or I might even do a video in the future of, like, I don't know, recreating one of his outfits with this or something like that, because I'm pretty sure he does own this pendant. But anyway, leave a thumbs up down below. Quick video, quick little unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I think I will be back with you guys tomorrow with another crazy unboxing. Right? Yeah, I'll do that. No swearing, Brad. Okay, peace, boys.